All right, so welcome. This is the Airbnb. My wife named it the Pine. The street is called the Pine. So you have a big window, large window with sunlight exposure, which is nice. It feels like you're outside, but you're inside in a comfortable place. We have a food table that can accommodate about 8 people. We have a kitchen, full stock kitchen with everything you can think of. A little bit cook and then have the same meal, same experience as they could have in their home. So that's why the kitchen is key for this family that travels and good for us. We have 3 bedrooms. In each room we have about 2 full beds, and then we have 1 king bed and we have a roller bed. And then to add the cherry on the top, we have like a rooftop with a view of Manhattan, where you can just stretch, have a dinner outside, have a grill cookout, or simply do yoga in the morning for a sunset. So this is a beautiful property that cuts off for anybody trying to visit New York, whether that is festivity, whether that is a conference, whether that is work. It's just a perfect, quiet environment, but yet close to the city. So my total hosting experience is about 7 years, but this specific unit, it's about 7 months. But the overall experience has been great, as in you meet different people, you meet, especially in my case, you meet families, you meet a group from all over the world, which is actually the most exciting part. So you get to meet unique individuals, unique families, unique groups. Some guests, family-wise, they like to cook, and then definitely after cooking, there is like more work to do here. Some families, when they come, they actually want to spend time outside, which means less sort of like high touch in the kitchen. So it gets messy. It gets messy in different ways. Some different groups may have different dishes that have some sort of like strong smells. That we experience a couple times, where the cleaning and then taking the smell out, it takes a while. The good news is, with a nice ventilation, it helps that process. I have a FOTILE in the kitchen for 2 reasons. One of them is the aeration, where you take the smells out in the most efficient way. But also, it's an elegant design that kind of sort of elevate the space design and look of it. So it's an exciting product. Complaint is going to be there. You cannot satisfy everybody, but complaint is actually, for me, I see a way of improving. So communication is key. So every time somebody reaches out, they complain about something, we just fast want to solve it. Things that are in the capacity of what we can do. The ultimate goal is to offer the best service, the best stay. It's a priority to ensure that it's nicely equipped with everything you have home as far as